Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update. And SLP is just making a very slow climb along with Bitcoin. We've seen some of the coins actually breaking the resistance and moving to the upside. This is the time where we're really going to know if Bitcoin is about to go to $24,000. Monday is going to start pretty soon, so there's a good chance that Bitcoin actually starts to move upside as well. And then if you start to move up like this, backtest this level, and you actually see SLP coming near these levels up here to the 505 for the 515 potentially. I just want to know how much of a trade this is going to be really up here. So like maybe 33% to the upside, but the technical target makes more sense if you just take that top to the bottom here. So this is where you might be breaking out and taking the entry. That's going to take you up here to that level. Seems like actually 18% level. If you do break out of this sideways movement. But the thing is that you really got to be careful, because Bitcoin is right at the resistance and it's trying to break the resistance, but at the moment you are really finding resistance for Bitcoin at this very point of time. So you never know just because it's Monday or anything. What really matters is the break, and the successful break and the successful retest, and SLP to do the same thing. Otherwise it can be that just the way you say you came down here, people got so bearish and you still bounce off this support level to go higher. This is still your sideways resistance right now, and you can still have a chance to come down again, even losing that level and continue to go to the downside at the moment, right? So that's it for this quick SLP update. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.